because there's some wind out here today, so there's a little bit of wind from the camera here. Beginning to see a lot more of these Cadillac R's at car shows now. These are the ones with the retractable hardtops on them. So I guess they're starting to fall into that category of being somewhat of a classic. So it's a nice car. I guess it's going to take me a while to get used to considering this to be a classic car. I'm more into thinking classics as well. Okay. Yeah, you don't very seldom see a model that big of the same car. Owner said he bought it for 6 cars per month. So I spent a lot of time talking to the guy there with the yellow Charger, and come to find out, he owns 3 of those things, plus a Magnum on top of them. They're all Hemis. And he was telling me he picked these things up for, I think the most he paid for one of them was $4,000. Everything else was less than that. And the Magnum he picked up for $500 because it had a blown engine in it, but he's going to go work on that one. But he's got four Dodges sitting in his yard. I asked him which one he drives, which one he goes out and picks in the morning. He said he has to pick the yellow one he drove here because it's the only one that's got plates on it to be able to get street rating. So this is a nice looking 57. Not much done to it. It's pretty stock. So tell me what you think about yellow. Wouldn't be my first choice, but it might be something that you guys would like. So this is a Polara. It almost looks original. I mean, the outside looks original, but I'll show you in a minute when I get into the interior. I think he's done some work on the interior. And maybe not. He's got some seat covers on there. That's what threw me when I first started looking at it. Paint job on this one.
Yeah, it's a wonder he didn't advertise just to give people there a look. Yeah, I go. And my friend has the same force. Just don't touch my car. Yeah, you can touch it really. It's his car.
So I don't know if you heard that. The guy was teasing me. He says, "Just don't touch my car." It wasn't even his car. But I can understand it. It's really nicely done. This one's got a 454. Got a little bit of metallic in the paint. Little sticker in the back says, "Yes, it's fast. No, you can't drive it." I think we all feel that way. Can't really see inside, but there's looks like seat covers on the bucket seats there, and it's got a Automatic on the floor. Here. Not a convertible, but still a nice car. So it looks like it's pretty original on the inside. Got a Hurst shifter in it. I think the 442s come with that. You can correct me if I'm wrong. All right, we got a 55 sitting in front of us here. Black with some old style Kragers on it. It's hard to tell from my camera, but it's a driver. There's bubbles in the paint, and there's a little rust here and there, but you know what? It looks good going down the road. That's all counts. Oh, so we got another Chevy sitting here in front of us. Actually, this has got a straight 6 in it. You very seldom see that. Usually you pull them and put something bigger in there. I'm just trying to see if that's a real bullet. Oh, it's not a real bullet. Pan out here, show you what's going on. Not a lot of cars here, but a lot of nice cars. These two Camaros pulled in just a minute ago. This one's got a 396 in it, SS. Kind of a teal blue paint job on it. Speed on the floor, looks like pretty original. Yeah, this one's nice, so let's flash over here to this Camaro. This has got a 302 in it, it's a Z. This has got some nice looking wheels on it, I like those ones. I don't know if you can pick it up or not, but there's a little dice down there on the nozzles. I'll put the air in. This one's an automatic. No, I think the colors, everything's nice on this one, but I think the wheels make this car. All right, got this sedan sitting in front of us. Yeah, a bit of an engine down in there. Looks like this guy is a pinstriper. This will be in the Florida area. You can look for some pinstriping and call him up. Pulled in. This is just a Cutlass, but it's a pretty Cutlass. original. This is a potty deck. I got here early, so I'm catching them as they're coming in. Unfortunately, I'm not catching them soon enough to get them so you can hear them, but I'm catching them as they're coming in. So this is a nice little street cruiser. Again, looks pretty original, except you probably updated the upholstery on this one. I'm sure it didn't look that good for as many old as this is. Alright, 60 Vet, baby blue, fuel injected.
I used to give a case of pills.
Yeah, this may be my favorite one so far. Might be the favorite one of this show.
Bring it in like a bow and arrow, and then hook up.
So this is 50 feet long, Oldsmobile. I'm gonna go around. I'm gonna show you this first. I'm gonna go around it. That's a shovel. Well, I would have kept. I don't think I would have put the bow tie on. I would have kept the Oldsmobile lettering on it.
48 ground stuff.
Let me show you this interior though. It's really nice inside. Yeah, from a distance it looks black, but I just looked around and say it's a black cherry metallic. So in the sunlight, it pops. And you know, my camera's not going to do it justice. There's a little dent here and there, but you know what? Gets him to and from the shows. And he probably has a good time doing it, so that's what counts. Not sure what it is. This is his buddy. Guess. You tell me if I'm wrong, but I'm going to guess this is a Chevy. Only because I'm guessing that is because my brother had one, and when I was a kid, about 7 years old, you can see the slope of the back window there. No, I was right. It's a 48 Chevy. I just heard some guys say that. But anyway, back to my story. I live in Michigan, so we got a bunch of snow one year. That whole car was covered with snow, and I climbed up there with my sled, and I'm talking, this is back in the 60s, so I had one of those sleds with the steel runners on it, and I slid up and down the back end of that car a whole bunch of times. I'm surprised I'm still here to tell you the story, to be honest, because my brother was livid. So I'm going to pan through the show here. I was talking to one of the guys, he said, normally they'd have 4 wheels all the way up to the store from the street. He said, but people are a little leery of the weather today. Of course, me being from Michigan, it's 65 degrees and the sun shining. So we just go to a pasture. Guys down here, regular live down here full time, they don't like this because it's just too cold for them, and they won't take their cars out. So, all in all, small show, but again, a lot of quality cars sitting in this lot. So I'm glad I came.